Hello Year 12, here we are with comparing Z-scores, the last of the videos for this topic. So, we talked about Z-scores in the last video, in the last lesson. We looked at how to calculate them. It's the difference between your score and the mean divided by the size of the standard deviation. Okay, really a Z-score is how many standard deviations above or below the mean any particular score is. Okay, and it's good for comparing different things. So we have a look here in this example. I've got Ashley's marks for math, science and history, 80, 60 and 70. You would think, oh well, math's probably the best, science is the worst, history's in the middle. We can look at the mean, and I could probably quickly rule out, well, history was below the class mean, so that's probably not as good. But is 60 compared to 54 better, or 80 compared to 75? Well, with these standard deviations, let's calculate them, and that will give us a clearer idea. So for maths, our Z-score is 80 minus 75 over 16, and that is equal to 0, that's not a 0, that's a 6, 0.3125. Okay, that's our maths Z-score. That's above the mean, that's okay. Maths, science. Now, we have 60 minus 54 divided by 12 and 6. Oops, Z equals. So our Z-score here equals 0.5. So there you go, science was better than maths. And finally, our history Z-score is, now, it's 70 minus 78, so I get a negative here, divided by 10. Right, now that's going to be negative 8 divided by 10, 0.8. Negative 0.8. Okay, so there we go. Z-score for each subject, that's all good. And which subject did she perform best? Ashley performed best in science. Half a standard deviation, 0.5 standard deviations above the mean. That should do it. Okay, comparing Z-scores. They are a useful thing. They are a useful tool. They're a tool that I use when I am looking at, for example, your performance in topic tests. Okay, rightio. Hope that was helpful. I'll see you in class.